Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your PC did not start correctly in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've outlined about 5 to 6 different methods to fix this. So method 1, use startup repair. So you want to restart your PC and let it reach the error screen. Then we need to click on advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced options, startup repair. Select your user account and enter the password if prompted. Let Windows attempt to repair your system from there. If it succeeds, restart your PC. Method 2, run system file checker SFC or DISM. So from the error screen, go to advanced options, command prompt, and then type in the following commands one by one and press enter after each. So these are the commands here. Then after completion, restart your PC. Method 3, boot it in safe mode. So select advanced options, troubleshoot, startup settings, then click restart and choose enable safe mode. If your PC boots into safe mode, uninstall any recent software updates that might be causing the issue and then restart normally. Method 4, check for disk errors. So open command prompt from advanced options, type that into the command prompt and then press enter, let it complete and restart your PC. If that doesn't work, let's move on to method 5. So method 5, restore Windows to a previous point. So you can go to advanced options, system restore, choose a restore point from before the issue started, follow the on-screen instructions to restore Windows. Method 6, rebuild the BCD. So we need to open command prompt from advanced options, then we need to type the following commands one by one, then restart your PC. And the last method here is reset Windows, which is your last resort. So if none of the above methods work, reset Windows. So go to advanced options, troubleshoot, reset this PC, choose keep my files, which is recommended, or remove everything if you don't mind losing everything, and then follow the instructions to reinstall Windows.